Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Saad Khan, and currently I am studying in Bahria University 8th semester. I joined as an internee in Pakistan intern in batch 16, and this is my final project. First of all, I want to thank the CEO of Pakistan intern, which they give me opportunity to enhance my skills, and it is first step of my career to. So we will start our presentation. Uh, I made an e-commerce site with the help of platform WordPress. This is homepage. Uh, that is logo, which I given, which I made from Photoshop. Read Fabrics. Basically, I made a website for my own business, which I started last month. By the name of Reed Fabrics. That's my number, my email address, my address, working hours. There is an option of a wishlist cart, uh, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other social media links. Then we have a categories: women collection, men collection, feature besides other features, clothings, hoodie and t-shirts, shoes, sunglasses, and featured. And that is a carousel with some variety. These are some future products. We can also view all. There are some classified products, and there are some recent products which are uploaded recently. There are some on sale products which are on sale. There will be this section and latest blogs. If we upload blogs with respect to fashions, so we can also upload them here. These are this is footer. So we should add a product and finalize our shopping. I added a product. Now we go to view cart. These are something which I was testing, and is some list which I added there. So I remove some product from here. If I add it and suddenly I realize I don't want to buy it, proceed to checkout. I have to fill these information and place order. It will be placed. Now we will go to dashboard. That is my dashboard. Set them mail to remember them. They like a product and they want to purchase it. There is also WooCommerce for MailChimp. It is for marketing to email your customers. Image optimization subsidized by Optimol. It is also installed plugin because of handling of website images of website, so can then load easily. Gutenberg for page builder, contact form plugin for contact form us if they have any complaint. So advanced import and an Acme demo setup for the import of demo. There are some products you saw in website which were imported by Acme demo setup and advanced import. The theme we use is just online shop, which I downloaded from WordPress.org, and these uh, plugins are also downloaded from there. This is my project, and in the end, I thanks to Sir CEO of Pakistan Indian intern, which given us this opportunity to enhance our skill. I learned uh, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, PHP, MySQL, and in the last WordPress. Thank you. Thank you so much.